we're celebrating the birth of America's first baby of the new year. The population will top 620 million this year.
Beijing is racing to finish its first 200-story apartment building, more than 800 meters high. 10 more are planned for the coming year.
New York's mayor approves the construction of the city's first super skyscraper.
It's been 6 months since the world's population doubled. All over the world, there's an unprecedented building boom to create homes for the world's 14 billion people. Los Angeles, trapped between the ocean and the hills, builds anywhere it can. The 1.25 square kilometers of Chavez Ravine, home to Dodger Stadium, is one of the targets. In Manhattan, there is nowhere to go but up. Architects struggle to find the best, fastest way to handle the population bomb. They begin to design and build the world's largest skyscrapers, more than 200 stories tall. These massive new towers are extremely heavy, up to 1 million tons. The easiest way to support these gargantuan towers is to build on bedrock so they don't sink into the earth. In Manhattan, some of the world's first skyscrapers were built on Wall Street, where the bedrock is so close to the surface. Now, the buildings will soar much higher. While billions wait for new housing, we're fighting claustrophobia. Families crowd together in motels, offices, wherever they can find space. But housing isn't the world's only problem. We're running out of food. Before the population doubled, the world's farms occupied an area equal to that of the entire continent of South America. To feed our doubled population, we need to create vast new farmland, almost twice the size of the United States. Forests are the first target. Thousands of square kilometers are chopped down for new farms, but it will take as much as a year to clear and plant the land. To find more food for this new world, hungry countries turn to the oceans more than ever. Enormous nets capture fish up to 1.5 kilometers deep. In China, the world's largest fishing industry lands 4 million tons of fish every month. The push to feed a hungry population threatens our basic infrastructure. A growing fleet of trucks hauls food 24 hours a day. A third of the highways in North America were already in need of repair. They can't take around-the-clock pounding.
So far, the death toll is estimated at over 60, with many more feared trapped inside.
The Department of Transport has announced the closing of thousands of bridges until crews can inspect them all.
It's been just 6 months, and the world is struggling to deal with the massive demands of 14 billion people. For food, for places to live. And the biggest crisis hasn't even hit.